Alright. Looks like he's going to decide to get out of here. I've shoot him, aggravated him with this stick a little bit, get him to go. Hope to get him on away from me before the dog gets here. Go on, buddy. Watch how fast he disappears, though. It's crazy. He's definitely hunting. I don't know how in the world I missed him with my truck right there. I must have drove right over him. And yeah, I could kill him. But, you know, as I get older, I get a little more respect for life. These guys have a job to do. Keeping down the squirrels, keeping down rabbits. And I am, like I said before, several responses. You know, I'm in his neck of the woods. It's not like he's in the backyard here. So y'all be careful. It's that time of year. He might be close to 5 feet. He's a little over 4 for sure. Adios, amigo.